To log into Times Tables Rockstars, come to the website here and click login. School, student, you'll then need to type, the first time you'll need to type in the school's name, and it will come with a drop down menu. Select Pinkwell Primary School. Type in the username and password you've been given. These should be in your child's homeschool diary. And click login. Okay, the first time you log in to this, your child will be given a list of Rockstar names to select as a character name for when they're in the game. Once you get through that, you will then have, instead of where it says garage at the moment, it will say gig, and you will have 100 questions to answer in one go. And this is to just allow the game to assess what times table facts your child knows. Once they've completed that, the next time you log in, it will then say garage, and it should start with auto level 1 for all the children in year 1, which will be the 10 times tables. So initially it will start with these 4 number facts, and once the children are confident knowing those ones, the game will automatically move them on to harder times tables. So to play a game, make sure it is on garage and then click continue. And the questions will appear here. You'll see each game is 60 seconds. You simply type in the answer, click enter, and basically try and answer as many questions as the children can within that 60 seconds. So see each point as they move up and get different ones correct, they'll get different points along here by the guitar as well. If you do want to end the game midway through, you just simply click go back and it will take you back to the screen, the home screen. If your child does get one wrong, it will just come up and it will tell them the correct answer. It will flash up like that. Okay, once those 60 seconds are over, it will then come up with your child's results. It will tell them how many they got correct, how many they got incorrect, how many seconds, how fast they were doing it, how many seconds per question, and again what times tables it was working on with them. They can then either play again or go back to the game home. The coins they earn allow them to buy different things in the shop to change their character, so they can click on shop. It'll tell them how many coins they've got here, and they can buy different things, whether it's a background, they can change the skin colour of their character, they can change the eyes and the mouth and the hair, and buy different ones. By the more money and coins they earn on the games, the more things they can buy to change their characters. Also, if you click on the character's name, that will take you to their stats, which will show questions that they've got correct or incorrect. And then to end the game, just simply click log out.